A few weeks ago, I started this channel because I wanted to become a founder. I thought all I had to do was learn. Learn Python, learn computer science, learn AI, learn engineering. But then I realized something. I had absolutely no idea how to learn. Every day I opened YouTube and watched videos about cloud code, Python, business, startups, marketing, engineering. I was learning, but I wasn't actually building anything. And if my goal is to build a huge company one day, then why wasn't I building? That's when I realized founders don't learn to build, they build to learn. The key is learning whatever the project demands. After this realization, I created something I call the founder's loop. Projects. Need. Learn. Build. Reflect. And repeat. In more detail, first pick one specific project. Then determine what knowledge is required to make this project. After that, learn everything required and build the project. Finally, evaluate the outcome and identify the shortcomings of the project. And repeat this entire process. That completely changed how I think. So I built my own operating system. I call it the Project Founder Foundation. Rule 1. Every week I build something. Whether it's an AI agent, automation, Python tool, website, anything. Not ideas, but working things. Rule 2. I learn what my project requires. Instead of spending months learning everything, I'll learn exactly what I need, when I need it. This makes the learning permanent since I actually use it immediately. Rule 3. Everything gets documented. Because documenting forces me to think and reflect about my accomplishments while developing my presentation skills. Rule 4. Every month has one main topic. For example, this July I will focus on AI agents. That will take 70% of my effort. And the rest 30% will go to Python and computer science. I don't count reading books about startups, personal development or tech. I'll do it every day. For making this process more efficient and being aware of what I'm doing, at the end of each week, every Sunday, I'll answer 6 questions. What am I building? What do I need? What don't I know? What should I learn? How will I prove I learned? And how will I document it? That's it. No complicated system. Just 6 questions. And now, it's time for my first real challenge. This month, I'm going to build my first AI agent. Not just watch tutorials, not just take notes, I will actually build one. Then, I'll try to find people who need it. Maybe no one buys it, maybe it completely fails. But I'll learn more from building one project than from watching 100 tutorials. This channel isn't about becoming an expert overnight. It's about becoming 1% better every single week. Every project, every mistake, and every lesson. And if you're building something too, welcome to Project Founder.